Want to make money using AI? My online course teaches you step by step how to leverage AI for passive income and online success. Here is what you will learn. Discover profitable AI-driven business models like content creation, automation, freelancing, and e-commerce. Learn how to use ChatGPT, Midjourney, Canva AI, and automation tools to generate content, design graphics, and even start a print-on-demand store. Master strategies to sell AI-generated content, create digital products, start an AI consulting business, or build an automated dropshipping store. I will show you how to automate workflows, grow your AI-powered business, and create long-term passive income streams. Want to turn AI into your money-making machine? Enroll now and start earning today. Click the link below.